Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this really easy and good looking headband. You can make it maybe half an hour and just wear it, and you will not need so many yarns to make this. I use this yarn and I use less than 50 grams of yarn. It's Boston Sun Sharon Meyer. I'm not sure how to read it. It's size 5 yarn, bulky yarn. It recommends 7 or 8 millimeter. Sorry. Yes, 7 or 8 millimeter crochet hook. I use 6 millimeter. And in the video you will see Mushfik everywhere. I hope you like cats. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's start. Now we will make a band like that. I made the first one, we need one more. For this, I want to show you the measurements too. It's 48 centimeters and 19 inch long. I start with 42 centimeters long chains. You must measure around your head. If it's 52, you can start with 42 centimeters long chains. If it's 54, you can start with 44. Just make 10 centimeter less. I will start with a slip knot and now make 55 chains. Make these chains loosey. I made my 55 chains. Yarn over, turn my chains. You see these back bumps. I will skip these two. Sorry. Yes, that's 2 chain. I will skip this 2 chain and insert into the third one. Make a half double crochet. Yarn over. Insert here. Wrap the yarn. Yarn over and pull through from 3 loops. And keep making like that. Just put 1 half double crochet for all the stitches you have. I complete first row. For the second, chain 1 and turn. We will make half double crochets again, but we will only use back loops. That's our chain, don't count this. You see, this is our first stitch. We will not go into here. We will just use this back loop and make a half double crochet. I couldn't make it. Yes. Just keep making it like that. I'll see you at the end of the row. I'm almost at the end. I made 53 half double crochets, and I have this 2 chain here. I will make one more half double crochet into this back loop, chain 1 and turn, and I will repeat the same thing for just one more row. I'll see you at the end of the row. I complete the 3rd row, chain 1 here, and cut this yarn. Now we will use stitch markers here. Hi. Sit here, okay? Sit. Sit. I will be back in 5 seconds. Okay, I can show you right now. I put stitch markers for this one, and I will show you how to make it now. You see, my tails are here. My tails are here. Put them like that. Then count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Just put a stitch marker into this 19th stitch, and now count from here. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Put a stitch marker into this 19th stitch, and there is 15th stitch between these 2 stitch markers. Now I will make it like that. Then take this one inside the other one. The stitch markers must be like that. Okay, that's the right position for our work. Now we will join here. Take the yarn. I will start from here, but not like that. Okay, you see there's a line. You can see it clearly. We will not make it like that. We will turn this and work from this side. I will start from here. We will just take this front loop and back loop. You can make a slip stitch or single crochet, it's up to you. Look, this is our 2 stitches. This is our stitch, 2 loops. I will use front loop from this side and back loop from this one. Make a slip stitch. Take front loop, back loop, slip stitch, front loop, back loop, slip stitch. Keep making like that. Almost at the end. Take last front loop and back loop, join this and cut this yarn. Turn it and it will look like that. And now I will make the other side. Just look here. You will see these lines, these two lines. We will put them inside and work like that. Okay. I will make the same thing for here too, then I'll see you. It's almost finished. Now we will join these two sides. Just put these two like that. Wrong sides are looking to us. Right side are looking to each other inside. I will join from here. I don't like to make a knot. Here I will hide this tail too. I will hide all my tails while I'm sewing here. And I will hide this tail and these ones too. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Okay. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Shirin's Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. Please don't forget to look at my website address too. Thanks for watching me. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.